Friends, welcome. It's Yuri here. We start our live trading session. What we are going to do today? First, we are going to analyze top coins, and I will show to you my trading plans, what I plan to trade. Second, I will show to you a few things about my trading strategy. I will show you patterns that work for me, and also I will show to you my top mistakes that I did recently for you to learn and avoid it, because you can watch other mistakes and by taking opposite ideas, sometimes you can make a lot. And third, I will reply to your questions regarding trading. This live meeting will be more about like chat, that we friendly speak about some different topics. That's why, for a start, what you should write a few words about audio quality from 1 to 10. Share with me about audio quality from 1 to 10. 10, it is really great audio quality, you enjoy. Free Genie, I see you here. Okay, here 10. Tom. Today, friends, honestly, today I will show you quite a lot of my mistakes to avoid it, because you need to know a few things that I did wrong, and also we will cover a few words about emotions in trading, because I think it's also important part in this business. Okay, 10. Also share about your few words about your experience in trading, how long you've been in trading. Okay, let me share this one. A few seconds. We are live. I sent to our Discord. Everyone. Few seconds, friends. Okay, my Discord freezed for a few seconds because I uploaded. Okay, good. For everyone. Write few words about your experience, why this stuff really matter, because during live stream quite different people come here, and I would like to discuss different topics, and for me it's really important to understand that like this topic would be really interesting and good for you. Some topic would be not interesting for you. That's why I share. Okay, let's go. About audio, I see that all of you wrote 10 of 10. Anastasia, hello. Anastasia, by the way, tell me about English. Do you understand everything that I say? 2 years, casual trader, mostly price action plus indicators until recently with bigger. Good, Tammy. Happy to hear this. 2 years, I see. What's your opinion about Bitcoin? I think it's a buy. We'll cover thoughts about Bitcoin. We'll cover what will be the stream, exactly what we are going to do. First part, like 10-20 minutes, we will analyze top coins and together write down a trading plans. What's a trading plan? It is your preparation. That, for example, I would like to take trades on some coin in some places. Every trading start with a trading plan, because you need to have clear patterns that you trade, and after that you follow them. After when we finish trading plans, I will show to you my top mistakes and regrets of previous several months, and I wish you will use my mistakes as a solid experience and improve your trading also based on that. Also, I will show to you a few things about my trading strategy, what worked best for me, and I will reply to your questions. So that's why I hope it would be really interesting. That's why. That's why. Okay, let's start. Arnold, How to access your Discord? You need to join. You need to buy participation. What I recommend you to do, let me send to you a link. A few seconds, I will send you a form. Few seconds, let me check about link for that form, and we start. My friends, few seconds only, and we are starting. Below, my friend, below this video, in description, you can see get profitable crypto signals in private community. Here would be this form. Just open this form. I will send this link into a chat that all of you will be able to do it. Just fill this form, write your name, and my team after that will write to you and help you, will show to you all information that you will need. Okay, let's go. Let's start as we planned. As always, let's start from trading plans, and after that, let's go to other ideas. Okay. Let's go. Write plus into a chat that you're ready to start, that you're ready that we start our masterclass, live session. Write plus. I understand everything at first. Yeah, it was difficult because many words were new. That's good. Hello, nice to be here. Glad to join. Thank you for this session, Alexander. Happy to see you here. 8 years in price action fundamentals or Rendali is really interesting. Tell me what really helps you with our content, because it's quite a lot. You a lot of time in the market. What exactly helps you from our content to become better? Why you came here? That's really interesting. I started 1 year ago, learned about price action after I learned smart money concept. Good. I want confidence with take profit stop loss and better at reading a liquidation manipulation. Okay, let's cover. We will cover all of this together. Good. I would like to see more pluses because only 3 people. Be active, please. Okay. What about trading plan? As always, let's go to trading view. Let's go to trading view and start with BTC, and after that discuss what potentially can be the next. About BTC, you need to know that on previous week with our community, what we did, we traded short on BTC, and what was the main reason behind that? Let me show to you. And by the way, what I showed to you, it is exactly how you can analyze price and predict price in the future. Remember that those of you that follow me long enough, I told many times before when ETF approval, when there would be ETF approval, that the bigger chance for a drop. Even here, before ETF approval, I wrote a plan above 48 to open short. And here in the community, in this video update, I told that I expect, let me show to you this plan. Here I told BTC important big ETF approval by the rumor, sell the news. And there I explained that after approval, a bigger chance there would be a drop. When the drop happened, honestly, I didn't took short trades here because I missed them. And we traded short when BTC started squeezing here. What was the main reason why with our community, I told them to take short here? Because that's example for you, my friend, some of you, Tommy, that's example about manipulation. You wrote about manipulation. And have a look, example for you, how market maker can manipulate the price. Pay attention. Before breakout with our team, we took short on BTC. And what was the main reason behind that? Have a look here. Main reason behind that was pay attention to this significant delta and open interest. Plus this sell limit orders in spot market. What all of this stuff means altogether. Because why I show this stuff for you? Because you need to understand logic and why price move. What happened with BTC and many other coins? A lot of people expected that during ETF approvals there would be pump. Because of that, as you can see, volume increased on BTC a lot, and market maker did a trap. And all people that bought BTC into these highs, what happened to them? Yes, all of them get trapped. All of them get trapped. And after that, price squeezed down, and here we exactly took short. What was the reasons behind that? First reason, it was trap traders, people that get trapped here. Price often go against trap traders because they need to liquidate them. That's how market works. Second reason behind that, it was quite a lot of key levels where people hide their stop losses. You should understand that nearly every key level, it is a place where people potentially can hide their stop losses. And the third reason why price dropped here, because we had aggressive seller. And have a look here. Before the drop, I wrote in the community on Friday, aggressive seller. Aggressive seller. Why? Friends, tell me why I told that it is aggressive seller. Tell me why did I tell that it is aggressive seller? And remember to push like, that's really matter, because when you push like, YouTube push the stream to more people, and that's the best thank you from your side, and that help us make better video. Aggressive seller, open interest adding with negative delta. That means someone selling and push price in a dump. Yes, or open interest up and delta negative. Yes, my friend, it was aggressive seller. Plus, it was this stuff. How many of you know what is this stuff? How many of you know what is this stuff? It is sell limit orders. It is sell limit orders on a spot market. You have from one side trap traders at high. You have aggressive sellers that push price down. You have sell limit orders on a spot market that don't allow price to rise. Do you see that? That's example for you. What is a puzzle when you have all confirmations together? That's example for you of all confirmations together. That's why. That's why. That's why we took a trade on BTC. It was exactly here. Let me show to you. We took this trade on BTC. BTC, my scalping short. And this one. Example for you. And what was, guess what was a main reason why price dropped? Guess, my friends, what was the main reason and the target of BTC price? Tell me, what's your thoughts? What was the main target for BTC? Bum, 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 bum. Main target for BTC, have a look. BTC did drop until all this liquidation appears. Until all of this liquidation appears, what happened with BTC? BTC dropped. That's example for you when aggressive seller, what they did. They trapped a lot of people during ETF news, massive volume, rise of interest. After that, they went against them and they pushed price down until liquidation. That's example for you of a manipulation. Tom, that's example for you when market maker manipulate the price. And they did it really beautifully. Okay, it was a few words about history. Let's go and check what potentially could be the next. Do you like when I show to you reasons behind moves? Write plus into a chat if you like it. Okay. Yes, good. Because I want to make okay. Let's go back to our instruments and let's make analysis from a start. What exactly we can trade. First, as always, when you start analysis, you start from a global perspective, where we are and where we are going. First, about BTC, what we need to know: BTC globally. What's going on? Why volume profile doesn't build? BTC, as you can see, bounced from this the most important level at top. It was this level, 40. I would say 48. It was exactly this volume profile that traded here. At this moment, depends what will be the next, because what I expect for sure it is or price will create a range. For example, price will be in a range for some period of time, or price will create some downward channel to liquidate all bulls. And in one moment, I expect that trend will continue, because when BTC, when gold ETF taken, price were 1 year in a range, and after that continue rise for 5 years. That's why if history repeats, something close can happen with BTC. Why at this moment, exactly right now, it's a little bit difficult to say that BTC exactly right now will go up, because price already rose by 200% from bottom, and they spoke about this ETF for nearly 6 months. That's why expecting to continue here, it was exactly ETF approval. That's why what I expect, as I told you, or price create a range for several months, and only after that we continue, like this one example for you, or here this one example for you, or we have something like this one, downward channel, and after that go up. I still believe that after ETF, globally we will have a rise of BTC. That's about global perspective, but global perspective we cannot trade. We need something clear that we can take trades exactly right now. Okay, let's go to local picture. Locally on daily time frame, what we have? First, we have this trend breakdown, and structure is changed. What I see at this moment, what is the most important levels for me at this moment with BTC? Let me show to you them. First, it is exactly this one. It is key level 43. It is exactly this POC of a range that could hold BTC as the most important resistance. Secondly, we have a lot of levels below that untaken, where people hide their stop losses, like this one. Here, here, here. That's why I would be really happy if BTC would go make some stop loss hunt, and after that squeeze down and make some drop. That would be the most perfect plan for me on BTC. And this perfect plan I shared yesterday in a community. I shared this plan yesterday, like this one, and explained why I think so. Because at this moment, a lot of people that build their short positions, they hide stop losses in these areas. That's the best plan. That's it. Will this happen, friends? I don't know, because as a trader, we will trade on facts. And if price reach, what I did, as you can see, I set alerts, one alert, second alert. If they reach this area, we, based on order flow, we take a trade. Also, there are a second area where I pay attention. It is exactly here. It is the second area. It is volume profiles that build it nearly 46, 47. Also, there a chance that price can test it. Will it happens? I don't know. But if that happens, I also like this volume profile exactly here. We have a beautiful high volume node here. This volume can work as a good resistance in the future. It is from 40 6 to 47 approximately area, like 2 areas for sure. What about long? Some of you would say about long. What is the best for long? Best time to take long after such massive liquidation as it was here. Imagine a situation: BTC take higher high, and after that liquidate really big position. That's the time when you buy your BTC on a spot. That's it. Okay. Right now, what we do? Let's go to lower time frame. And let's open ATAS and check what's going on inside on a smaller time frame. Like at this moment, I don't see really good ideas where to trade on BTC, because have a look. What's the main problem to take trade on BTC right now? We don't have any rise of open interest. We don't have any levels that was taken. Price exactly in the middle, guys. Price exactly in the middle. That's, by the way, when we will cover my top mistakes that I did during previous period, you will see that one of my biggest mistakes that I took trades that I shouldn't take. You need to know in what cases to trade. Here, above a lot of buyers, above a lot of sellers hide their stop losses. The best, we take their stop losses, go down. Or again, aggressive seller appear and squeeze price down. That's also second option. But for aggressive seller, what do we need? What do we need for aggressive seller? We need negative delta, rise of open interest, and price. What price do? No pullback. Price squeeze into that direction. Without it, it won't be aggressive seller. Okay, is it clear about BTC? Friends, is it clear about BTC from 1 to 10, what we plan to do? Once more, summary about BTC. We wait for price to reach key area, or for aggressive buyer or seller to appear. And after that, we will wait to see what will be with that aggressive buyer. Will be trapped or it will be really strong and push price into that direction. I'm new. My friend, if you are new in trading, better for you to go and join our education program. We spent 9 years to develop all of this stuff together, and by fraction of what we invested in our education, you can learn all of this stuff. That's why it's up for you to decide. But below this video, there would be a link. You can join, and me and my team will help you. Any trade, I know that some people like you would come. Wait. You don't watch liquidation levels, build strategy, very good with it. Roberto, there are a few reasons why I don't watch liquidation levels. I guess what's the main reason? Just guess it. Not no edge right now. Yes, bingo. That's the best what I see at this moment. No edge at this moment on BTC. We will check. Say, let's go step by step. Okay, let's go to Ethereum. As you can see, we set alerts. We wait when something happens with order flow. That's it. Let's go to Ethereum at this moment. And let me show you my thoughts about Ethereum at this moment. Ethereum a little bit different compared to BTC. What's the main difference between BTC and Ethereum? How many of you know? Guys, what are your thoughts? What's the main difference between BTC and Ethereum? Yes, main difference, it is this open interest that pumped Ethereum here, and most of it is still here. Do you see that price, what happened? Into a price entered nearly from 1.7 to 2.5 billions of USD. It is on Binance only. It is on Binance only. And something must happen with this open interest. In some cases, if you check history, what happened for a start? Sometimes, as you can see, if that open interest enter exactly into a top, they go opposite and liquidate it often. As you can see, when you have clear, beautiful breakout, open interest, it is a good signal of start of some local trend. Example for you with BTC, when BTC also open interest entered super fast, let me show you, super fast into this high, most of open interest entered into this area. And what they did, they moved opposite. When you know for sure that some interest is trapped, quite often price can go opposite and take stop losses of those people. And what about Ethereum at this moment? Let's speak about some plans. First, about Ethereum. At this moment, what we have, price of Ethereum pumped really well, and price of Ethereum took local stop losses of local short sellers. At this moment, price in this short-term momentum down. If price continues squeezing down, there could be a breakdown and taking of all of these levels. If price continues squeezing down, what there must be? Pay attention to this open interest that locally builds. Price must start squeezing down. Only in that case, that could be really good breakdown pattern. Because several times, as you can see, yesterday Ethereum failed to rise volume. Also, Ethereum here pushed price higher, and they failed to rise, to continue this rise. That's why. At this moment, I look at this local open interest because that's really interesting for me. And if price, what to say? In what cases I will take short? If price starts squeezing down, in that case, I will take short. In what case is better to take long? Now, if we break the structure, for example, we break the structure fixable and on retest, only in this case we can take long. There must be clear a structure change. Let's open some bigger time frame, 30-minute time frame, or even 4 hour. Let's open 4 hour time frame for a start. Pay attention where most of liquidity at this moment. I think you agree with me that you don't need to be a genius, that at this moment we have liquidity area here. It is where short sellers hide their stop losses. And we have liquidity area here, where people that open long in the middle of this range hide their stop losses. And really important question, what direction price would move. Why at this moment I don't tell you I like 100% confident for drop or 100% confident for short, because I need confirmation. Example for you with BTC, what we had with BTC, stop losses, we had squeezing down with no reaction, and we had really powerful seller in a dome. At this moment, what we have, we don't have really powerful seller, we don't have really powerful buyer. That's why once more, if they break, let's build this anchor VWAP. At this moment, I look what they would do. If they break above this this area, that would be a signal for potential rise and even higher high. If they squeeze down, I just wait while my edge appears. If they squeeze down and there would be a really aggressive seller, I would follow that aggressive seller. That's it. That's about Ethereum. Okay, and what we do in that case to find really aggressive seller? First, I set alerts here. And let's wait what will be with this volume at bottom. Okay, that's about Ethereum. I set alert, as you can see here, at 2511. If they come back to this level, that would mean that this local open interest would be trapped. And if at that time aggressive seller appears, that would be a really good signal for a short. Okay, let's go to another coin, BNB. On BNB, I had a trade yesterday. I shared this trade in trading plans with our team. What was the major reason for BNB trade? Let me show to you. Here, BNB a few days ago, BNB broke really serious volume profile area and trapped open interest, and plus local volume profile. And retest of this was a good idea to take short. And what we did, price by few ticks didn't hit my limit order, as you can see. Few ticks was my limit order. And after that, when I saw that there is no aggressive buyer, I open short entry on BNB, like some stop loss hunt. It looks like happened. And what after that, I decided to take short on BNB. But BNB, what main problem? BNB failed to drop. BNB started squeezing up, and because of that, I closed my BNB trade today before the stream, where here I shared with our community. I closed with small profit BNB trade because it failed to drop, and there is no reaction into short. What about BNB? Still, this open interest still here, and if all this volume were built for long, if all of this volume were built for long, price will continue rise. That's it. And like price clearly failed to drop. In what cases it could be potentially good to take a trade? By the way, they already broke this trend line, and at this moment, if they close above this volume, that would be a clear signal for continue of a rise. At this moment, BNB still this volume here, and big chance that rise will continue because they failed to drop. What about Solana? Solana also yesterday significant volume here appeared. On Solana, we have local trend down. We have local trend down. Have a look. How we define local trend down? By this anchored VWAP, as you can see. At this moment, Solana below this anchored VWAP, it is trend down. And the most important question also about this open interest that entered yesterday, exactly high into a high. And people that opened long positions yesterday, they get trapped here. And especially if there would be some drop on BTC, Solana can drop even more because trend down, Solana rose really a lot, and Solana easily can test. Let me show to you. Solana easily can go and at least test this volume area. 78.54. These volumes that were built here, Solana easily can go and test after this significant pump. Previous time, after significant pump, Solana dropped by how much? 47%. And by the way, you need to know that on our stream at 11 of September, 9/11, here we took long on Solana. We took long on Solana. Interesting. Friends, I will reply to your questions within a few minutes. I need to finish trading plans because You came here for clear analysis, and let's do it together, and after that speak together. About Solana, at this moment, I have open trade on Solana. Let me show to you the trade on Solana. Here, I have this open trade on Solana. Also on Solana, have a look, we have this significant wall of limit orders. That's example for you when you have a significant limit seller. That's why on Solana, open interest that entered yesterday have down reaction. We have this significant limit orders. That's why at this moment I keep this short trade. If Solana would be really successful, that could be even lower low. If this volume really for short builds, that could be even lower low. In what cases I will consider to close this trade? If all of these limit orders would be canceled and aggressive buyer appears. Only in that case, I will consider to close my Solana short trade. Okay. ATAS is free for crypto. Yes, my friend, ATAS is free for crypto. A few words, let me reply a few of your questions. And if you have some questions about Solana, BNB, ask right now. Yuri, how you identify aggressive buyer and seller using open interest? First, that's example that I showed to you with BTC. Example for you. When open interest rise, what is aggressive buyer or aggressive seller? You need to see next step. First, volume increased on instrument. It is a first. Second, open interest increase, and a delta into direction of a movement. If you see that price drops, delta must be negative. If you look for rise, delta must be positive. And that's it. Also, you can analyze it by when you look into DOM, depth of market. You can see by speed of tape, you can see what's going on with a tape. When tape become very active, it's a signal of that activity appeared. Can you share this ATAS template? We share ATAS template with our community members and our students. You can join us, and we will help you not only to this template. My team will help you to connect everything from A to Z. That's why join our community, get signals, education, and my team will help you connect and set up all templates for all platforms. Link will be, I pinned already a link here during this live. As you can see, I already added this link that in description here. And also it is in a pinned comment. Just use it and fill the form, and my team will help you. And remember, friends, to push like, because only 22 likes, I think we deserve more. Okay, once more about Solana. Until price below this open interest that entered yesterday, I think about short. In what cases I can be wrong? If Solana broke all that limit orders and fix above this volume that entered yesterday, that's it. In other cases, it would be difficult. Also, everything can change if BTC start pumping aggressively. Remember that if BTC start pumping aggressively, also Solana might go after it. Okay. Aggressive seller on Solana. On Solana, you can see this beautiful limit orders. Okay, let's speed up a little bit. As you can see at this moment on the list, I have only 3 instruments. It is a BTC, Ethereum, and BNB. BNB is different compared to all of them, to all of other instruments, and BNB looks really strong, and that would be a breakup. Solana looks down. If BTC stay in a range, most of crypto would move without it. Okay, let's go. Let's a little bit speed up and cover many other coins only based on the key levels. And after that, I will reply to your questions that you asked me. Okay, about Dogecoin, we had this big and beautiful liquidation event. As you can see, this one, open interest dropped from nearly 192 to 150% drop in open interest. After that, price better to trade fake outs. That means Dogecoin only at one of these key levels, it is worth to take some trades. It is like here, some fake outs, and here in this area, like value area. Let me show you. Value area high and value area low. Nothing to do until there is no open interest increase, trade fake outs, because you can see how it played out. Have a look. Fake out, fake out, fake out, fake out. From value area high to value area low. Okay, so we discussed until without a structure change, we think about short. In a case of breakup, we think about we rethink our ideas. Repo, same here. Big liquidation from 234 to 133, also nearly 50%. Also only fake outs at this moment we can trade. For breakout, there is no good breakout idea for short and long. ORD, maybe the best coin for fake out patterns, because have a look how many times they did fake out, fake out, fake out. What we can do on ORD at this moment, nothing, because ORD, this range, it is inside. Open interest stay flat. For breakout, I don't want to trade it here, not breakout, not fake, only some fake outs and these yellow areas. ADA, APT. APT, trapped open interest. We are going to take stop losses of these people with bigger chance, as it was here. Open interest trapped. They went down until liquidate all of these people. Same here, big liquidation, beautiful rise. At this moment, the bigger chance price will continue dropping. We have really wide area, wide range compared to many other coins. It pumped really not much compared to many other coins they did. That's why about APT at this moment, I think like it's obvious we are going to liquidate these people. But at this moment, we are inside in this range. That's why I don't want to trade it. Only at key areas. If there would be some stop loss hunt into this area with big delta, yes, we can try it. But I would set alert and wait. I wouldn't look at this for days. Magic. This example, by the way, for you guys, aggressive buyer with open interest, what they did, just pumped a coin. What about at this moment? Again, open interest dropped by nearly from 185 to 70. During this time, again, you trade fake outs on Magic. You have this key area and we have this key area. Until price reach one of these key areas, nothing to do. ADA. ADA example for you, how price test beautifully key area. Again, key area. That's what you do after some significant liquidation. You trade only from key areas. At this moment, for ADA, next key area, it is here. In the middle, nothing to do, no open interest, no liquidation, no edge here. This one, Arbitrium. This coin pumped recently. And the best what can happen here if price would do some higher high. like they did on ADA. Have a look what they did. They pumped, they stopped, and they did higher high, and after that beautiful drop. If something like this would happen, imagine situation here, Arbitrum pump higher high, that's the best place to take short entry. As always, what we did at alert, one alert and second alert. OP, price stay in this wide range, as you can see again from key areas. Have a look how they moves beautifully from key areas. Again, in the middle. What do we do in the middle? And let's do a few more coins and stop after that. Sui, coin pumped recently, open interest still present here. Big chance we will go and liquidate those people. The best entry for short, higher high, if that happens. If that won't happen, still Sui will be in a play because volume still increased and it pumped recently. Higher high, best place for short. Especially if higher high would be without rising of open interest. If that would be a higher high, and even if open interest drops, it would be even better signal for taking short. Alert already here. Bitcash, maybe the best coin that moves from key areas, just greatest. Again, in the middle, a link in the middle. WorldCoin. This range is tested. We have also this volume profile that wasn't tested, but I have a lot of alerts here and I wait for this area or taking these lows. As you can see, all alerts is here. Only one coin that at this moment interesting compared to many other coins, it is Didex, because on Didex we have rise of open interest in draws from 30 to 60 during the last few days. Plus we have this beautiful bullish momentum. We have this anchor VWAP and local POC. That's why test of this area could be a good place to consider taking long entry. Didex we can add to a list if there would be some drop. AVAX. Also nothing special. Let's add alert here. On all other coins at the swing high, swing lows, I added just alerts and I wait if price reach those areas. That's it. Okay, Atom. Ethereum Classic. If there would be suddenly some pump to test this POC, that could be the best place to consider short entry. Imagine some such pump. That's it. Friends, that's it about our trading plans. We finish it. If you have a few words about coins that we discussed, you can write at this moment. Can you explain why you have free variation of DOM Windows M15 open on Target screen? Yes, I have several screens because first one, it is Binance Futures. It is this one. Here it is Bybit Futures because I trade on Bybit. Why I analyze together Binance and Bybit? Because let me take you one real simple example. You can go here. For example, Solana. At this moment, we have 1.2 billion Solana open interest, and guess where most of it? 368 millions on Bybit and 590 on Binance. That means together they are like 80% or even more. 80% of all market. 80% of all market. About spot, Binance still the biggest one. That's why we look at it. That's it. Okay, at this moment, have a look. The most interesting it is Solana because we have this wall of sell limit orders. In a case if this wall would be cancelled, our idea would become really different. Okay. Let's see what will be with this limit orders. Okay. Do you think that's a good idea to hedge BTC and Ethereum? And do you think we have a failing or rising wage on Ethereum? About wage, honestly, I don't spend a lot of time in patterns, technical analysis patterns, etc. Because we can read it as we wish. We can build here some channel like triangle, etc. And honestly, I don't trade such stuff. For me, the best it is key levels and cascade of levels, because I understand that there are liquidity. About some channels, etc., for me it's difficult to trade them, to understand them, because I don't understand how liquidity enters those structures. About level, why for me it's clear. For example, as I sent today plan to our community, let me show to you the idea plan. Why for me key level, cascade of levels really easier? What's your thoughts? Cascade of levels really easier with one simple reason, because I understand that a lot of people that open long positions here, I understand there is stop losses. Some of them set stop losses here, some set stop losses here, some sets here, some here, and some of them will have cascade liquidation here. And if we go here, all these people that build long position, we take their stop losses. About other patterns, technical analysis patterns, if I don't understand where liquidity will be taken, I would not. I don't have a desire to trade it and spend time on it. His market is super simple. BNB, friends, BNB. Let's open BNB depth of market and see what's going on. Maybe we have significant buyers. About BNB, it's clearly a powerful buyer. Powerful buy on BNB. They just did this drop to take stop losses of some retails. Do we have some player at this moment in a dome depth of market? No, depth of market empty. Interesting to see how they would pump it. Honestly, good entry we missed, because good entry were here when they broke at least this trend line and on a retest of it. At this moment, first target when they can go, it is to take at least this higher high. And there are quite a lot of open interest. They can go take higher high, and the next key level, if I remember, it is 338 on BNB. Honestly, it is not my entry, because open interest does not appear at this moment, does not push price highs. That's why I don't trade it. It is not my edge. Okay. For me, it's the most important to see that this limit orders, they are not fake, and if price reads them, someone will continue opening short positions on Solana. That's really the most important for me. BTC at this moment still in the middle of this range. Exactly in the middle. We can take liquidity high and we can take liquidity low. The best time to trade, I would say. Just greatest time. Okay, let's reply to some of your questions at this moment, because at this moment I just would watch it and that's it. Because you see what's going on. And also what I ask you to do, what I ask all of you to do right now, to push like subscribe, because we create best content that possible for you to learn, to make more money, to learn from our wins and our losses. And after I will reply to your questions, I will show to you my top mistakes that I did and what exactly you can do to improve it, to avoid mistakes that I did in the future. Okay. Okay, let me reply to your questions. Say, brother, please. We will cover. Hi, what's your trading video do you use for your open interest? About that, I'm preparing video on YouTube about it. Soon you will know about it. That's it. How about Superverse? About other coins, we will cover. Top coins that I had on the list, we already covered. It's really sad that BTC looks for up. What app do you use to see significant volume? ATAS and Target Trade. Above the support wedge. You use Binance Dome. You have noticed that CoinDC have become market leader in many cases, rivaling Binance volume. How do you compensate for the missing data? Where is the data? CoinDCX. About futures market, Binance and Bybit still is the biggest one. Binance and Bybit. Bam, bam, bam. Let me show to you about exchanges. Biggest volume, Binance spot volume. Compare Binance 13, Coinbase 2, OKX, Bybit 2. Like Binance, compared to many other coins, have bigger volume by 5-10%, 10 times. That's a reason why we analyze Binance for a start. But Coinbase also, honestly, better if there would be some aggregated data. But we don't have aggregated depot market. We don't have aggregated volume profile, etc. That's why we use what we have. I face the same situation, just keep it and still work perfectly. Okay. What's the difference between those three DOM traders? First one, it is Bybit futures, because I trade on Bybit. Second, it is Binance futures, because Binance and Bybit together, it is 80% of the futures market, 80% together. And now Binance spot, because Binance the biggest spot, it is nearly 50% of entire centralized exchange. When do you use TradingView and when do you use ATAS? Okay, When do I use TradingView? When I need to do only charts, when I build some chart structure, etc. Because on TradingView, it's super easy and fast to work with charts. When I do exactly work only with charts, for example, and on TradingView, what TradingView main advantage, it is a speed, because you easily can open any chart and switch between them really fast. As you can see, really fast. I can check all other coins uh, because remember, I promised to all of you that I will show to you my biggest mistakes, and we will cover a few of them. Like the most biggest mistake is that you need to open trades when price at key level. And sometimes I took trades without good area, without good liquidity, etc. And trading helps me really the best to check where where is the key levels. Mm, Let me change a few seconds. I would change camera because I see that. Okay. Doesn't work good somehow. I see. I reply to this. Anastasia, what are these green levels in target trade? Did the indicator draw itself? Anastasia, it's manually did. We did this stuff manually. It is this levels. It is this one. I use hotkeys. I use hotkeys in Tiger Trade and just build important levels. It's like cascade levels I build sometimes for easy to trade it. That's it. Like cascade levels, etc. Okay, at this moment, have a look. This walls that protect. Do you see at this moment, friends? Pay attention that 23, 31, 39. Do you know what this number means? Agnaul, let me finish with you. That's why I use TradingView for working with charts to see key areas, to see volume profile. That's the best. To add alerts, that's the best. But for order flow data, to see exactly what's going on in a depth of market, to see open interest and delta, and clusters, I use ATAS. ATAS is the best for clusters. Like at this moment, we have clusters. I can see where how many contracts traded exactly at each number. In some cases, I can see when significant numbers become resistance, like here. Have a look. 20,000 coins traded exactly at this level, 25.50, and have a look how price after that bounced from this important level. Such accuracy you can get only in ATAS. You won't get such accuracy in on TradingView, but they have really different reasons. Their goals is different. TradingView it is for more retails. ATAS it is for really advanced job. At this moment, friends, pay attention to this open interest on Ethereum. We will cover what's going on because here 25,000 on of contracts appeared. Interesting to see how they would work with this volume. They slowly, as you can see with delta, push up, but how is the task clusters better than target trade? Really better, because in target trade, here, for example, in target trade, these clusters, you cannot open, zoom it normally, like Tiger Trade is the best with speed because they work really the fast, and to take trades, set stop losses, it is the fastest platform. honestly, it's really sad that they don't have everything together. And what are the problem? You should understand when you do everything in one platform, what will be problems with your platform? It can start freezing. It can start working really slowly. Because if you analyze everything, for example, in a task, and you have 20 instruments, it can start freezing during big movements. If you have only one instrument, for example, you trade BTC only. Honestly, for you, a task would be just perfect. You don't need anything else. But if you have, like, if you trade more crypto, for example, you trade altcoins, at least top one, still you will need to switch between platforms. Okay. Have a look how open interest increase on Solana. Have a look, friends. Open interest exactly entered on Solana, and have a look. I wrote about this into our community about Solana. On daily basis, when I see interesting coins, I write trading plans for our community to understand how to trade it. And have a look. Solana yesterday, this open interest, nearly 280,000 contracts were trapped in this tiny area. And often they go and liquidate those people. But this time it looks that accumulation on Solana is bigger. Yesterday, as you can see, I tried to take short entry on Solana when I saw that volume get trapped. Volume get trapped here, and I took short entry. Sad part that my take profit were here, and they reversed at night before my take profit and hit my break even. That's really sad part in this stuff. Sometimes this happens. Sometimes have a look like yesterday on this plan on JTO. I missed the direction. As you can see, open interest increased, and I didn't. I thought they would continue rising, and but they failed, and my idea exactly played out 100% oppositely. That means why I show this stuff for you, that you have data, but in some cases you wouldn't be right 100% of the time. And that's the reason why when you write, you need to make at least several times more. For example, when you open a trade, why we always speak about risk reward? Because you need to at least take 3-4 times more, because you will have stop losses, you will have mistakes sometimes. Okay, let's go back. Let's go back to our beautiful Do you see that all that wall, while BTC is slowly rising up, Solana didn't rise? Remember that this wall at this moment protect us, and we don't have the same wall at bottom. That's good. That's good. When open interest, when increase in OE consider as a trap. Haha. Victor, is target rate free, and how can I install it? About this platform, what you do, you go to our YouTube channel. For a start, you subscribe to our YouTube channel, as I highly recommend you to do. Second, here you'll find a video lesson about target trade tutorial here. In the description, you can fill a form and download our template. My team will help you to set up. That's it. When you consider, I will show to you a few examples when you can consider. Okay, let me Yuri, when you draw a volume profile to determine key areas, how do you decide where to draw that volume profile? Okay, Arnaud, logic is super simple. You need areas of accumulation. What's a rule here? First, a rule, it is you look for areas of accumulation. That means, for example, if you have some range, that's where you build volume profile, because it is a place where volume profile is built. That means let's do some example for you on BTC, how I would build a volume profile. For a start, if you look on bigger scale, of course, I would look at this range. Why? Because I understand that it is a place where volume is built, where market maker build a position. Why this part isn't good for me for a volume profile? Because we are above this volume, as you can see. That means it was a separate play. Volumes that build it here, it is a separate. Example for you, how I would build volume profile here based on this chart. First, it is this one. When they broke this range, here we can do another volume profile. Again, they broke it. Again, they broke it. When they broke it, it is you need to separate structure changes. When price changes structure, you need to see it, because what's your major target to see? For example, like here, do you see that this volume profile became really powerful support? When price in a range market, here you understand that price with bigger chance would go from value area high to value area low. When price in a trend market, such volume profile would become good support, and often, as you can see, after volume profile build up, they continue movement. Remember that the price can be in a range. It is a place where they build a static value. When price in a trend, it is another structure. Okay. Friends, at this moment, tell me, we did analysis of a market. At this moment, I have a trade on Solana. I don't see any other good ideas to open a trade at this moment. Tell me, please. Would you like to see my trades and discuss mistakes that we did and how to improve them? Right, plus at least I would like to see at least from 20 people that you're interested in. And if you're interested in, we will analyze it. Okay, BNB, a demon. Mm. Bum, 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 bum. Did you already mention good strategy to enter on Didex? Yes. On Didex, what I told, what could be good really on Didex, Didex we have rise of open interest. At this moment, someone build a position in the middle of this range. Retest of key level 284, it is a good place to take long entry, especially if there especially some significant volume appeared exactly at this area. delta spike, volume spike, that would be the best confirmation. Okay, I see quite a lot of pluses. Thank you. Okay, let's go to analyze top mistakes and what we did good and what we did bad. PTO or TPO, or maybe you would say TPO. Time price opportunity, cool stuff. It is nearly the same as volume profile. You can use it. Good stuff if you like it. Because on a crypto, we have volume profile. That's the reason I use volume profile. Okay. Friends, at this moment, what we do, next 10 minutes, while we wait for some new ideas to confirm, let me show to you a few trades that I took during previous months and my top mistakes. First, before you start trading, you need to understand what game you play. Before you start trading, remember that trading, it is the biggest poker table on the planet. Because in trading, money does not create. Remember basic law of physics that energy does not create, energy does not appear, disappear. It transforms from one form to another. The same with money. Like on a poker table. Remember when you come to a poker table, like you have 8 players, tax is golden. And what happens? Every person come to a table and bring money. And what's the goal of every person? Tell me at this moment, what's the goal of every person? Why do you come to a table with other players? What's your thoughts? Guys, be active. You have only one goal, make money. You don't come to trading because you like technology, etc. It's a bullshit. You came here because you want money. The same with poker table. When you make money, it means that some players here, for example, you will get more money. It means that some players, they put money on the table and you will take it. And you will take from a table from other players those money. Okay. What's the difference between poker and, for example, BTC market? Difference is simple. Poker, you have 8 people on a table. If Texas Golden, what's the difference between BTC? Who know what's the difference between BTC? Major difference that only on Binance 155 million people have account. 155 million people have account on Binance. Imagine add Bybit, Coinbase, and all other exchanges. I think altogether it is 300 millions. Plus add CME futures. It is 100 million people. It means the table is so big that if you take from this table, it's not the big deal. That's the biggest advantage of trading compared to poker, because you play with really large entity and your few thousand, even few 100,000 doesn't matter compared to market scale. Even yesterday, BTC. Yesterday we had how much we had on centralized exchanges. BTC volume was 16 billions. It's BTC only. Ethereum 11 billion. Solana 4 billions. What I mean is that market is so big that your existence for market, it doesn't matter. That's you need to understand. Okay, it's a basic law. Market does not create money. Market take money from dumb people that cannot wait, that want everything right now, that want 100x account. Market take money from those people and gives that money to wise people that can wait and know where to take trades. And what's our target? If we understand that market does not create the money, market only redistribute those money. That means we need to understand a basic law of trading. In what cases market can give money to us? First case, it is when market maker give you free money. How many of you understand this area? Why I show this stuff for you? Because to understand this, within few minutes, I will show to you my trades that I took. And based on this logic, you will look on my trades and you will understand in what cases I did good and in what cases I did bad. And just by understanding this logic, you will understand that I didn't work with market maker. I didn't follow it. That was my biggest mistake in most cases. When market maker gives money, free money, guys, during powerful, especially bull market, I know a lot of people, especially in 2021, they came into a market and what they did, it is like free money. You buy any shit, within few months, it rose up by 50, 100, 200, 300%. That's example when market maker give you free money. When you have clear and powerful trend. And market maker do this stuff not because he likes you, etc. It's only because of one reason. Example for you, like happened with BTC. BTC dropped to 16,000, where biggest volume appeared at 16,000. That means someone bought a really huge amount of BTC during FTX crash. And at this moment, price rose to 40K. And those people that bought here, they need to make money and they understand they would push price and they like their target, for example, 50K. And for them, it's okay to pay to some traders money here during this rise because they understand that here they will start selling, and for them it would be really good investment. That's why it is when market maker give you a free money. It is the first way when you make money. It is trend. It is really super simple. You see a trend, you follow it because you follow a big guy. That's it. First way, follow market maker. Second way, how we can make money on a market. How many of you know what is the second way? Second way, it is traps. When market maker, for example, moved price and after that they trap someone, they often will go opposite and take stop losses of people that get trapped. It is a period of time when market maker becomes super greedy and just takes stop losses, liquidate people. It is a traps. What's liquidity here? Where we take liquidity? Liquidity is super easy. People that bought here, for example, open loan, price will go to take their stop losses. Example for you, Sui yesterday. Example for you, Sui yesterday at top. Have a look. Yesterday at top, how much interest entered exactly into a top? It is the same when I took several trades into Rise and they failed. Like 20 millions of open interest entered here. Do you see? 20 millions entered here. But price failed to continue rise. And this trapped volume become resistance. And what happened? We went down until, what we did? We went down until we liquidate those people. Same with BTC that we traded, guys. Same with BTC that we traded on Friday. People that opened trades on ETF, what they did, We go down until we liquidate most of them. That's why second way how you can make money on the market, it is when you see traps and you go for stop losses. Traps and you go for stop losses. And third way, what is the third way? Your thoughts. My dear friends, share your thoughts. What is the third way? Mm-hmm. Nine. Key levels. No, price doesn't move because of key levels. Price does not move because of key levels. Price moves from liquidity to liquidity. And third one, it is liquidations, as Anastasia wrote. Liquidations. Because major goal of a market is to take liquidation. Same with BTC. Have a look. On BTC, you can read whole entire cycles that happened. You saw a trap. You saw market makers that were really aggressive and move, and you saw a liquidation. Let me show to you here exactly. Here, trapped traders. After that, aggressive market maker move against them. You can see how open interest builds up and price go down with negative delta. Really aggressive seller. And we dropped until liquidation appears. Big negative delta and drop of open interest with big volume. What is it? Yes, it's liquidation. And after liquidation, what price did? Immediate pullback and even stopped dropping. From trap to liquidation, or from liquidation to liquidation. That's how price move. That's why, based on this, you need to understand what patterns you can trade, because in some cases your pattern buy low, sell high. Not always it would be possible, my friend. Okay, let's go and cover more. Let's go and cover more. By the way, our friends, by the way, our Solana trade is still here. And do you see how this wall protects Solana from rising? This whole entire time while Solana here, this wall is not letting Solana to rise. That's example how market maker here present and does not allow price to rise. Okay, based on this, you need to understand we need to trade. And let's cover together some trades that we did, and let's cover what was really cool stuff and what was really horrible stuff. Okay, let me show to you a few of the best trades from previous year. Have a look. Guess what was this trade? What was the reason of this trade? Remember, we had three reasons. First reason, it is market maker give free money. Second reason, we saw a trap and we go for stop losses. Third, liquidation appears and there is no reason to rise. Guess what was this reason? That was, my friend, a simple reason. It was the liquidations. It was a liquidation. Have a look. Open interest increased, delta went up, and exactly big delta spike with drop of open interest. That means a lot of people that built short positions here, they got liquidated. Price rose quite a lot. For BTC, when BTC moved 10% into some direction, have a look. 10% into up direction. 10%. It's a lot for BTC without any pullback. That means short sellers, logic here super easy. Short sellers that get trapped, their stop losses, they forced to buy exactly into a top. Market maker use their stop losses as an opportunity to open a position into short. And remember that after that, a lot of people that bought during this rise and didn't close their long positions. Imagine you open long, for example, here, 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 here. And you said break even, stop loss, break even, stop loss. What will be with your position if price go oppositely? All buyers that didn't fix their profit, their break evens go, price takes their break even, stop losses. And do you see that open interest also dropped a lot into opposite move? Because all people that bought, that's example of when market maker took stop losses of both sides. Short sellers got liquidated and long buyers got liquidated. Remember that in some cases, they would create a trap in liquidation. But always the best entry after significant liquidation. As you can see here at top, key area were here, big liquidation. Do you see when we have really beautiful trade? When all puzzles together, it is really beautiful money. The same we did a trade with that was on BTC on previous week that I showed to you. Same trade here on BTC. It was we had trapped here, we have trap here, and here we had aggressive market maker. Also, we had a lot of stop loss hands of short sellers. We had a lot of long buyers stop losses here. Also, we had significant seller on a spot that didn't allow price to rise, as we have at this moment on Solana. Do you see that when we have good trades, good ideas, they have a lot of stuff together. They have a lot of preconditions. Liquidity, reasons to go, aggressive market makers that make a push. Let me show to you a few trades that I took in the middle of nothing. And example for you, when sometimes you can miscalculate. Example like on Friday, when BTC started dropping, here I tried to take long from this volume profile while price started going down. And what was this idea good or bad? What's your thoughts? This idea was really bad because price already rose a lot, my friends. Price already rose a lot. Price stopped rising, and BTC did really significant aggressive drop. And in most cases, when BTC drops, most of the coin also follow it, and it is not wise to take long trades. But I took this stuff, and honestly, this trade wasn't really beautiful enough. And what was my mistake here? I decided to take a trade because I wanted to trade, because I wanted to take more trades, to share more ideas with community. That's my biggest mistake, that I here, for example, I didn't wait for really significant liquidation events, etc. Or there was not enough liquidity up to move more because price already rose a lot. There was no more reasons to rise more. My biggest mistake is that I take trades sometimes and there is not enough confirmation. Let me show to you two examples when here it was my biggest mistake of a previous weeks. By the way, it is for some of you that Remember, friends, some of you asked me about how to identify a trap on open interest. That's example how you can do it. On Sunday, 7th, I wrote a plan to our community that I saw a significant rise in open interest. But what was a problem here? That open interest, do you see that open interest enters the market exactly in the middle of this range? But price failed to continue rising. Have a look when open interest increase slowly. What's going on? Beautiful rise. It's like on your car when you press the pedal, it moves really. You accelerate. When you press on the accelerator, it moves really faster. But here it was too much, and no reaction. But because I missed a previous long entry, I tried to take long here. What I did, I felt FOMO because I knew that before ETFs there would be a pump, and during ETFs with bigger chance there would be a top. And as you can see, I tried to take long at 42, but they took my stop loss after that did rise. And here I had FOMO that they would start rising without me. And what I did, I took long entry without confirmation. And what market maker did? Remember, I told you, when market maker create a trap, what they do? They go out and take stop losses of trap people. And when I took a trade, have a look. I took a trade exactly here. Those open interest were still here, and they didn't liquidate them. And what they did exactly with this open interest? They did this local range, and most of people that trapped here got liquidated, and only after that continue. And because of one simple mistake that I didn't wait for confirmation, instead of making few thousands, what I did, I got beautiful stop loss. Like, biggest mistake, my friend, it is not about understanding strategy, etc. It is waiting, because you need order flow in a proper place. Remember that this order flow stuff works when you have together clear understanding where liquidity will be taken, powerful trade, powerful liquidation, powerful traps. You go into a trend, you trade at key area. Only when you have those criteria together, you have beautiful trades that potentially can give you a lot of profit. But when you take it in the middle of a range, when price ranging for days, what will be with your position? You will get nothing. That was my biggest mistake, that I hurried many times this year, and because of that, instead of making good portion of a profit on many trades, I got many stop losses because I hurry up. That's why what I highly recommend you to do when you have something like here, when I did. That's, by the way, example for you of a trade after liquidation. Big liquidation appeared, drop of delta, drop of open interest, beautiful liquidation. Have a look how open interest dropped. Really beautiful liquidation. And you can see that was exactly a bottom. But again, in this trade, I hurry up a little bit because according to my strategy, I must take trade at key areas. And here was 2 key levels. And if I would wait at only 5 minutes, I would make this beautiful profit. Instead of this, I have not zero, I have minus. Learn how to wait best trades. Learn how to wait. Only in that case, you will have a big chance to take a lot of money from this worldwide table that calls financial markets. That's it. That's all what I had to tell you about my trades that I did. More of these trades we covered in our community. I did masterclass. We recorded that masterclass for our community members only. Okay, let's go back to our coins. Let's cover what's going on. Tell me at this moment in the chat from 1 to 10, was this part useful for you? Because I try to be honest with you, and you see that most of my mistakes, it is a human mistakes. If you wait best areas, if you wait best confirmations, you have bellissimo trades. When you do hurry up, you take trade only because you want to trade, what you have, yeah, shitty results. Just think about this. In trading, you need really simple stuff. You need few patterns that you understand how they work, and you need to wait. You don't trade. You trade only best your patterns. That's it. You don't take all because you feel that there must be drop. No, you have pattern. For example, you trade breakout. You wait when breakout occurs. Sometimes you wait weeks. That's only the hardest part in trading. Honestly, my friends, it is to wait for best patterns ever. It is not about understanding the market, because market is super simply. In some cases, it's super easy to read the market. When you have some beautiful and clear liquidations, you understand that for market there is no reason to drop. The only reason to go up, take higher liquidity. In some cases, market is super easy. But you must wait until those cases. Thank you for being honest with your trades. Not many will confess. Salute you. Thank you, my friend. What is the best time frame to analyze the chart and the trade? Thank you, Yuri. The best, it is to use top-down approach. It is when you go to some coin and you use top-down approach. What that means? Example for you for BTC. Why you need top-down approach? Because, for example, why before ETF I told many times to our community about 48 level, because I saw this level here on bigger time frame. I saw that level exactly a center of this significant volume profile. Let me show to you. Without weekly time frame, I wouldn't see it. How without weekly time frame I couldn't tell that here we have biggest volume profiles that wait here? No, I wouldn't tell it. Start on weekly. You don't need to spend a lot of time on weekly. You just look for key areas of volume. You just look for key levels. After that, what you do after that, you go to daily. You look for important areas. Like at this moment, it is this area or those areas, to see what's going on with a trend. Daily, it's really good to see what's going on with a trend. You see that like trend at this moment stopped. We will have range or we will have channel down. After that, you go to 4-hour time frame, because 4-hour really cool for local key levels, local zones. For example, local volume profiles that builds up. It's really cool. I like 4-hour in that case. And after that, you can go to a smaller time frame, for example, to 15 minutes to wait while price reach some level and see reaction. Top-down approach. Very useful. How many trades you take a day? Depends on a day, from 1 to 3. Depends on the situation. But honestly, I would take really less trades because what I understood after analyzing my statistic for whole entire previous year, too many trades, it is really bad. Why? Because let me show to you a few examples of a trades that I took on the previous year. And you would understand that sometimes market is so easy to read that it's just bellissimo. It just, per favore, perfect. Example for you, like this one, short on Ethereum. Have a look, this beautiful trade short on Ethereum. What happened here? Have a look. Ethereum did massive liquidations. Where is that screenshot? Here. Ethereum did massive liquidation on this candle. Massive rise, a drop of open interest, and massive volume. After that, it took higher high. Open interest failed to drop, like you have divergence. And here, locally, local liquidation appeared. Local liquidation. We had global liquidation, and we had local liquidation. And what happened after that? It was exactly top of the market. And price dropped from this area from 2,115 to 1,633. Sometimes market is super easy to predict. Sometimes, especially at key areas. Look at Ethereum, how it moves really beautifully at key areas, from key levels, from key zones. Have a look here. Have a look here how they took this liquidity. Like Ethereum is the best from key areas. It is best of the best instrument when you trade it at key areas. But sometimes when price in the middle of this range, that's a problem, that sometimes we take too much trades and trade in the middle of this range. What my major idea for you, that the best what you can do is to trade at best areas. Because in those areas, you will have the best chance to win. And if you win a lot. That's really matter. Okay. Have a look how with, let's come back to Solana. Do you see how this limit orders on Solana protect our position? That's example for you. When someone here get trapped and market maker at this moment goes down. And if here there were buyers that get trapped, market maker will need to go and take their stop losses. That's example for you. When you have trap, it's really cool when market maker support you. Friends, also remind to all of you that you can join our community where we share trade ideas. Example for you, trades that we shared with all community on BTC. As you can, when I see really beautiful trades, I share it with community, with stop losses, take profits, and you can be part of this. Also trading plans on daily basis, like yesterday, Solana, BNB, as you can see, all of these trading plans. Separately, BTC, what I think about BTC on daily basis. You can get all of these updates. Plus educational materials. That's why what you do, below this video, this form, what you do, you open this form, fill your name, email, phone number, get access, and after that, my team will contact with you and will show to you in more details how this stuff works. And after that, you will decide maybe that's really good for you. Because remember that I spent a lot of time with retail approach. I trade levels, etc. It doesn't work. What really work? It is you wait for really key area where liquidity will accumulate. After that, you wait when market maker will show their face. They will show trap, or they will liquidate, or they will start aggressively sell, and you just follow them. That's really key success. It is to wait for key area, to see market maker in that key area, and to not hesitate, just to follow it without a lot of thinking. That's it. And we know how to help you with all of these instruments. That's why consider at least speak with my team. They can show you a lot of data. You don't need to make a decision right now. at least consider to see how this stuff works. You pay nothing for consultation. At least you will understand, you will see materials, feedbacks, etc. Okay. Solana. I would be really happy to see at this moment aggressive sell-off on Solana. That would be really good. What about BNB? Do you see how different market? BNB aggressively buys off, and BNB is super different because of the significant volume with open interest that entered. BNB really different, and at this moment, interesting to see what will be with this one. It's really sad that open interest entered really aggressively into one candle, because if that would be really slowly, step by step, I would follow this. Trade, and I would also take this trade. In this case, I don't like it for short at this moment, and I don't like it for long. Solana, as I told you, we have here perfectly. We have a retest of significant area, trapped a lot of trapped open interest into this area at 100, 102. At this moment, we have beautiful seller that during rise at a lot of limit orders. It would be really good if some significant seller appeared also on the spot market. It would be really good confirmation. That's why for Solana, it would be good enough if BTC would stay in the range. If BTC would make some local drop, for Solana, it would be just perfect confirmation for big drop. Anastasia, thank you. Thank you. Okay, we can also, let's look what's going on. Coins in a play at this moment to analyze. Let's look also on some coins that at this moment on fire. Coins with big open interest change. Gas. Kochi. Someone pressed wrong button. Imagine that most of this open interest, it means that someone just pressed really one button and bought so much at one price. Friends, pay attention to this coin, Rune. They started dropping, and price dropped with rise of open interest quite a lot. If there would be a breakout of this VWAP, when VWAP would be broken, this coin could start rising. It's really example for you when market maker push price. Do you see that they can do it up and down? Doesn't matter. Rune, what about XM? Also push S&T, and what they did when this open interest started, poof, skaddish. Do we have at this moment right now some coins that right now pumping? HIFI, XM, STMX super. Why is it super? HIFI NKN. Where most of this interest entered here. Here and here. Most of interest, as you can see, entered this and this candle, and after that they dropped until, do you see, biggest volume appeared until most of the people that trapped here got liquidated. Perp, massive pump, 5 minutes. Have a look. How many? 10 minutes. And after that, opposite move. Joy. Honestly, I don't like small caps because what's the main problem with that small caps? They can continue pumping and you don't know when that stuff would finish. 12:30. It's a fix. Retested view up. And after view up. О, Юр, а ти CFX брав?
Ні. Нічого брав.
Can someone explain why trends trending at all? You mean why price move, for example, for some period of time can move a lot up and down? About trends, my friend. No. Once more, major reason why trend appears. Are you still here? You didn't reply to me. About trend, why trend appears? Really super simple. Super simple explanation that really would be easy for you to understand. Have a look on this BTC example. Why do you think here was a bottom? Why do you think here was a bottom? Here it was FTX liquidation. Do you see that it was exactly FTX liquidation? And what happened here? Biggest volume traded exactly into a bottom. Like record volume. Compared to average 300, 400 per day, here was 2 million several days in a row. Why that happened here? Because a lot of people that here build long positions, what happened to their positions? They sold it. And they sold it to who? They sold it to BlackRock, to some other guys. Remember that you don't, guys that like BlackRock, etc., they don't buy some assets during best times because it's bullshit. Example for you, a story about George Soros. Once he decided to buy a lot of copper because there was a trend. And guess what he did before he started build big positions on copper? Guess. Yes, he opened big short position. After that, he bought a lot of articles in news media that copper market would be will go down. Copper will be replaced with other cheaper materials. That there are some problems in the countries that buy the most of it. And what happened with the price of copper? Yes, it dropped by 50%. And that's a time when he started building long positions. When Big institutionals wants to buy something, they don't say really good stuff about it, they shit on it. That's why, remember, if you followed a news, you must remember that economist, the crypto downfall, November 22, the crypto downfall. At this moment, I remember this stuff, crypto downfall, and this news. And what was their major task with this news? Their major task was really simple, to make you fear. Even my wife had their savings, like their own savings. Part of it she had in crypto, and she had it on Binance. And during that time, a lot of news started to appear that Binance also have problems. And she told me to withdraw all money to cash, because she believes that crypto can scam. And that was exactly a bad time. Everyone was very scary. Why I tell you about this and how it connects to trends? Trend appears when market makers, guys like BlackRock or other guys, they buy a lot. They bought, for example, 500,000 bitcoins, 1 million, 2 million, 3 million, 5 million. They buy enormous position. And after that, what they do, when they bought everything and no one is selling, price stop dropping, because if there is no sell pressure, price stop dropping. And it is like a train. They start a direction, and their major goal is to start a direction. And after that, all other traders come in and follow the trend. And what's their major target is to move price higher to some area where they would start selling. And ETF, that's the example for you. When before ETF they started selling, how many days they were talking about that ETF? People that bought at 16, some of them need exit liquidity. Remember that markets is all about enter and exit liquidity. Institutionals also make money on this as you want to make. Do you think BlackRock do this stuff because they like technology? You came here to speculate. They do the same, but they do it on a really different scale. They have more money, they can manipulate news, they can manipulate data, they can buy politicians because they have a lot of money. That's how trend creates. They buy a lot of something, and after that they do all manipulations that necessary to move price into their direction. And they always try to do as cheap as possible. The cheapest way it is to write something in Economist or etc. Because when they move it with real money, it costs money for them. That's how trend works. Someone build a position and move into their favor. Someone big. I hope it was understandable. Was it understandable for you? Okay, friends, at this moment, let's come back from our global markets to my friend. This stuff, if you wanna make money in this market, you need to learn how all of this stuff works. That's why I recommend you to consider join education and learn it, because I spent many years, and as a retail, I tried a lot of retail stuff, and that didn't work because market doesn't follow some levels, line, etc. It followed because of order flow. Like today, Solana, while some coins rose, Solana big limit order for sell, and price failed to rise. And at this moment, we have on Solana a beautiful drop, price slowly dropping. And if there would be an acceleration, my short position on Solana would be really good. At this moment, 2%. Soon, we maybe would move it into break even. That's it. Don't. You must keep it as simple as possible. Okay. Okay, my friends. At this moment, as I told you, I expect a drop on Solana. about Ethereum. If Ethereum continues squeezing to key level, also I would start expecting breakdown. What about some other coins? Let me check. Because globally nothing changed. Market in a range. BTC also in a range. Nothing to trade. Okay, I need to go. I thank you all that you was here with me these 2 hours. We will do same stream about live trading within 1 month. Remember that we trade when we have really good ideas, when we have something to trade. That's why we have sold trade. And about other trades, I don't see reasons to take it because risk reward is not in my favor. Remember, when market more active, we have more ideas to trade. Our best stream was 11th of September when we took Solana long at 1750, and there I explained reasons why we took that long. Solana rose so many percent after that. That's why you should subscribe to this channel, because we do it often and we do really powerful updates, analysis that will help you understand how this market works. If you want more, if you want our personal help, go join our community where we show our trades, and also you will get access to our courses where you will learn all of this stuff. And my team will help you connect all of this platform, set up all of this platform, as you will get all our templates where you are member of a community. Which lever do you suggest? I said, do you see that in my terminal there is no a button where you can write about leverage? Do you see any buttons with leverage? Everything in the end comes to what is your position size and how much you risk in a position. That's it. That's why leverage. I personally set on exchange 1 to 20, and that's it. And I don't do anything. Don't do anything with leverage because there's no reasons for that. Leverage isn't a key. Key, it is your risk in position. That's what you need to focus. You need to understand what it is. If you don't know what it is, man, better to study. Believe me. It is too hard to find a good mentor in this industry. Thanks, love, and your content. My friend, I agree with you. That's the reason why we create a lot of content, and you can taste it if you like it or not, if you like our approach or not. You can see our positive, negative sides. That's why it's up for you to decide to work with us or not. Just go on channel, look some free videos, and see if it resonates with you. After that, make a decision. Yuri, first thing in the morning, how do you screen instruments? Do you have a list and go one by one, a more specific approach? I have a list of instruments and I analyze them on daily basis. I trade only top coins. I have top 20 instruments and I analyze all of them. Thank you once again. You learned a lot from this session. Cheers. Thank you for being here. Bye. Keep, my friends. Thank you for your time. Bye. See you soon. See you next video lessons. Trade wisely and only at key levels. Remember, don't do my mistakes. Key zone, clear signal from market maker, and only after that take a trade. Bye.